Welcome back, fightflock.com. Check this out today. Pretty crazy here. We got a flock camera going up, a brand new one. This is right in Holly Springs, Georgia. How about that? Right in the old hometown here. These guys actually caught in the act, putting up the old surveillance equipment here. I'm going to show you here in a minute. I'm trying to get closer. So yeah, we're right by the Walmart in Holly Springs, Georgia. Check these guys out here. Check this out. So this is, yeah, that's, how about that? So that is a new flock camera going up. See that? Pretty wild, huh? This is, these things are going up everywhere. Check it out here. Look at that. In the act, caught in the act. How about that? Got their little work van there. How about that, huh? Gonna take another video from the other angle. So this is Holly Springs, Georgia here. These two guys put up this flock camera. They put these things in overnight, pretty much in the dead of night. Here they are. Looks like they're almost done too. Won't take long. Put these things up. It's a pretty cheesy setup otherwise, but the technology is pretty incredible. Again, it's more than a license plate reader. It's ALPR, right? That's what they say, right? But it's actually a high-tech AI device, right? It knows cars, shapes. You can see dents in cars. You can even get color of hair and pictures, people's profiles, things like that. So it's more than just a license plate reader. Don't let them fool you. So yeah, this is Holly Springs, Georgia. How about that? We got these things everywhere in Cherokee County here. That's the county we're in. These things are all over the place. So, boy, pray for the Fourth Amendment, man, because this is not going to end well.